Continuous professional development for teachers is essential for their growth and improvement teaching practices. In Pakistan, as in many countries, CPD programs and initiatives have been introduced to enhance the skill and knowledge of teachers throughout the career. Here are some key aspects of CPD for teachers in Pakistan. Number one is professional development framework. Pakistan's education authority have developed a framework for CPD that outlines the principles and guidelines for ongoing teaching development. This framework is designed to ensure that teachers receive regular training and support. In-service training programs are common for the CPD for teachers in Pakistan. These programs are often organized by provincial and regional educational authorities and cover various aspects of teaching, including pedagogical methods, subject matter expertise, classroom management, and assessment techniques. Workshops and seminars. Teachers are encouraged to participate in workshops, seminars, and conferences to stay updated with the latest educational trends and research. Online CPD is also important for accessible to teachers in Pakistan. Also, teacher learning centers are also important. Provide a dedicated space for teachers engaged in CPD activities. These centers offer resources, training materials, and a supportive environment for professional growth. Then mentoring and peer support. Mentoring program and peer support groups are encouraged as part of CPD. Experienced teacher may mentor new colleagues, providing guidance and share their experience. Subject specific training. CPD also often includes subject specific training for teachers to improve their subject knowledge and teaching strategies. This is important for the teachers at secondary and higher education level. Assessment and feedback is important for CPD to identify the strengths and weaknesses and improvement areas of teacher. This feedback can be used to tailor professional development programs. Teacher evaluation in Pakistan have introduced teacher evaluation systems are linked to CPD. Teacher performance is assessed and CPD opportunities are provided based on the evaluation result. Then government initiatives are important for the collaboration with international organizations, and NGOs have launched various CPD initiatives to improve teaching effectiveness. These initiatives often focus on enhancing teaching skills, promote literacy, and addressing specific education challenges. Certification and recognition. Completion of CPD activities may lead to certification or recognition, which can be beneficial for career advancement and professional growth. Adaptation. CPD are often adopted for the local context and needs of different regions in Pakistan, recognizing the country's linguistic and cultural diversity. Despite these efforts, challenges persist in implementing effective CPD for teachers in Pakistan. These challenges include resources, constraints, accessibility issue in remote areas, and the need for sustained commitment to teacher development. Additionally, ensuring that CPD is aligned with the evolving needs of the education system and changing the demands of 21st century education remains ongoing concern. Efforts to strengthen CPD for teachers in Pakistan should be collaborative, involving government agencies, educational institutions, and non-government organizations and other stakeholders to create a comprehensive and sustainable system that supports teachers in their professional growth and ultimately benefits students and the education system as a whole. ये हमारा टीचर एजुकेशन का सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट हो गया. आप लोगों से किसी नए लेक्चर, किसी नए सब्जेक्ट में, किसी नए लेक्चर के साथ मिलूंगी. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.